Okay, here are two questions that are asked in our Max group, which I wanted to discuss. This question is asked by Amandeep Ade. If ABC working together can complete a piece of work in 40 days, they together work for 16 days, and A leaves the remaining work completed by B and C in 40 days, how much time it would take for A alone to complete the whole work alone? We normally solve this question using this ordinary method, but I wanted to present to you an alternate method, and I call this method as the Samosa method. This this is a funny name that I actually gave to this method, but once you grasp the concept behind this method, you can solve tricky questions on time and work quite easily. So here's how this method is going to work. So say A, B and C together complete a piece of work in 40 days. I'm going to just open my paint right here. Okay, so A, B, C take A plus B plus C take 40 days to complete their work, and they work for 16 days. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to assume a number of work units that need to be done. For example, I'm going to assume that I need to make some samosas. That is my work. I need to make X samosas, and here I'll assume that I need to make 320 samosas. That is the work that which A, B and C, all of them are going to do. And so right here I have my work. I need to make 320 samosas, and it is given that A plus B plus C take 40 days to complete making these 320 samosas. So what would it mean? It would mean per day they are going to make 8 samosas. This is S per day. 8 samosas per day. They are going to make 8 samosas per day, and just see here they are working at it for 16 days, so that would mean they are going to make 16 into 8 samosas. They are going to finish making 16 into 8 samosas. This is nothing but 80 plus 48, which is 128 samosas. So in 16 days they have completed making 128 samosas. So what does that leave us? So that leaves us with 320 minus 128 samosas. So that would be the 228, 328, 192 samosas. 192 samosas are to be made now, or the remaining samosas. So this is what is remaining is 192 samosas. And listen, what is given here? B and C take 40 days to complete the remaining work. What is our remaining work? Our remaining work is 192 samosas. So they are going to take 40 days. So what would that mean? That would mean per day, in one day, they are going to make 192 samosas divided by 40. So that would leave us with this is 4 tens of 40, and this is 4 fours are 16, and 32 4 8s are, that is leaving us with 4.8 samosas. So per day this is what B and C, right? Per day B plus C make 4.8 samosas per day. Now we already have the data given that A plus C plus D per day make 8 samosas per day. So this is A plus B plus C, and they make per day 8 samosas. And now we have that B plus C, they per day make 4.8 samosas. So what does that tell? That tells us that C makes 10 minus A makes 10 minus 4.8 samosas per day. So that would leave us with 5. Sorry, I got it wrong. A plus B plus C together make 8 samosas. This is not 10. So per day they make 8 samosas, and okay, this is A plus B plus C and minus this this is 8, and this 4.8 is nothing but B plus C. So A plus B plus C minus B minus C would leave us what? A. So A makes 8 minus 4.8 samosas per day, which is nothing but 3.2 samosas per day. So per day he makes 3.2 samosas, and the total number of samosas that need to be made are 320 samosas. So 320 samosas divided by 3.2 samosas would give us the number of days that A requires to make all the samosas. So that would be the number of days that A alone requires to complete his entire work, which is nothing but 100 days. This 320 divided by 3.2 is 100 days. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. This is Senthil Jayapalan signing off. Tada.